Pats. You see the dog? We give dogs pats. We gave Molly some pats. Right? And then what happened? She licked your hand. That's right, we saw Grandpa. And Granny. They live with Molly. Well, Molly lives with them. And Daddy, we'll go out with Daddy tomorrow and see them. So, Ravel, was Mama being clumsy today? Clumsy. It's another one she laughs at. I was so clumsy. Oh, I was so clumsy. I bumped my elbow. I was being very clumsy. Good times. Clumsy. Ah. Now what? Feet? Oh, that's the heat. Yeah, that's the heating vent. It's not coming on today. Yeah, it makes a loud noise when it comes on.
Bunny.
Bunny?
Funny.
Funny. Thank you.